We got Dr. Darien back now with a question from one of our viewers here. Questions from Stephanie T. And it is, what potential health conditions might be causing my hair loss? Are there blood tests I should consider? What do you think?
Absolutely. So this is a question that sometimes comes up, you wouldn't believe it, in the emergency room when patients think that those symptoms might be associated to an underlying emergency. The average person loses about 50 to 100 follicles a day, not suggesting that you count, but there are some reasons why you might notice more shedding on some days than others. One thing you want to look at, for example, are your medications. Certain antidepressants, certain medications for blood thinners, for example, or anticoagulants can increase your risk of hair loss. Also, common things being common, hormone changes are a very common result. Sometimes stopping birth control can lead to changes in your hormone, which can increase your hair loss, pregnancy, also your thyroid. There are also fungal infections. If you're noticing more dandruff, for example, that you want to check for. And then stress can often lead to hair loss. You want to make sure that you talk to a dermatologist if you're finding that you're losing your hair more than you think you should.
I shed like a dog. Your prescription for wellness.
It's about chocolate. It's Valentine's Day. We're all grabbing chocolate. We all want a sweet treat. So when you grab that chocolate, here's some tips on what you should look for. So dark chocolate is the healthy chocolate. That's been associated with those benefits for our heart health, for example. It has those flavonoids. So you want to look for dark chocolate, and you want to limit white chocolate, of course. Look at the ingredients. If you're looking at the ingredients, you want to check for more than 70% cocoa. Eva's really trying hard to get that chocolate down. And the reason why it's important.
She's looking at me when you're saying white chocolate.
You want to limit yourself on white chocolate, as a reminder. And you want to look at that ingredient list. You want to make sure that you're looking for at least 70% cocoa. I'm trying to keep it together.
You're a professional. I appreciate that.
And then, just like Eva was trying to reference, you want to limit that white chocolate. Sometimes too much can be bad for your health.
Buddy, you're telling me. All right. Folks, we would love to hear from you, so hit us up on Instagram with all your medical questions at ABCGMA3. Right, Eva?
What's the problem with doing the show with your friends?